Hey guys, quick video today to explain to you how to fix the error of the network fees on Coinbase. Now, this tutorial will be made on Binance because that's where I have my funds, but the process on Binance and Coinbase is exactly the same because they are two trading platforms and they work on the same principle. So the idea here is that the network fees, or they're called also the gas fees, are basically some fees you pay to keep the blockchain alive, to just pay the network fees, the servers, etc. So here, if for example I want to withdraw, let's say, 2 bitcoins, I will have to pay a network fee of 0.00003 bitcoin, and I will not receive the full 2 bitcoins here. So the thing is, whenever you choose your network, so here it is, whether it's bitcoin or anything else, ethereum, lightning, you will have to pay some fees in that network's currency. So here, if I send on the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin network, I will have to pay some Bitcoins. If I send on the Ethereum network, I will have to pay some Ethereum. So that's the idea. If you don't have enough Bitcoin, then you won't be able to send. If you don't have enough Bitcoin to cover the network fee and the amount that you want to send, then you won't be able to send. So what you want to do here is just to deposit crypto and select the coin of the network that you want to send the crypto on. So let's say here, for example, I want to buy Ethereum, for example, just to cover my network fees if I'm on the Ethereum blockchain. So here in the network, I will select Ethereum, and then here I will get the deposit address or whatever. I just buy some Ethereum on my wallet to just cover the gas fees or the network fees for my next transaction. And that's it. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.